Michael Rapaport films alleged brazen shoplifter. I can't believe this. No, I did not see this.
Oh, yeah. Well, he was at a store in New York, and he literally just filmed a guy at like a grocery store, and the guy just walked off with a bunch of stuff he stole.
Weird. What are the chances? Rapaport's everywhere.
Yeah.
So
there's a lot of swearing in this clip. I don't want to play the audio, but literally there's security right there. And the security just kind of like turns around, and then the guy walks away.
Weird. A law enforcement source tells NYPD is officially investigating the case as petite larceny.
Petite?
Is that right? P-E-T-I-T? What?
I think it's petty.
Is
it petty?
I don't know. I'm reading it. P-E-T-I-T. I mean, you can go to Google and tell us how to say it. I mean,
it might just be a misspelled.
Yeah, I think so.
Supposed to say petty.
Really? Oh, we can't this cannot slide. We need to be sure of this.
What, you want the term for
Search the term, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's supposed to be petty. All right, never mind. Ooh. Oh, wait. Why is it called down there? P-E-T. Yeah, what's the difference?
French?
It's a French word for small.
Yeah, it's exactly. Petit déjeuner. It's a small breakfast.
Small larceny.
Okay. There it is.
I don't know, man. What kind of... We entered some alternate thing there. I don't know. It's weird when you bump into a term you've never seen.
Yeah.
Among the items stolen, totaling $500, Trojan condoms, Nexus shampoo, Pantene shampoo, Dove soap, electric shaver, Neutrogena conditioner, Old Spice, Axe products, Elvive hair treatment, Conair products, Cremo cologne, and toothpaste. A rep for Rite Aid tells TMZ the safety of our customers and employees was our top priority, and we are grateful that no one was harmed. In other words, I think what they're implying is they didn't want a confrontation.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you feel a way.
And there's
hang on, Jack feels a certain way.
No, I was just going to say, if you were that security guy, like, would you make the effort to potentially have to, like, physically get in the way of this guy, maybe throw him on the ground, or do you just let him go and...
Well, it begs the question, what is a security guard then?
Right, that is technically their job.
Well, no. So there's a
I'm gonna get my shirt dirty.
I mean, I think there's new rules.
Do we
really have to? Well, technically you do, yes. We don't, but you do.
Yeah.
The boss is like, what do you mean do we really have to? Yeah. I'm not sure what you're doing here.
I just don't feel like it.
Yeah.
I really got to get all dirty and messy. Am I rolling around? What am I doing?
So I think
Go ahead, Will. Sorry, Will. Go ahead.
There's new protocols, I think, with the COVID situation. No apprehension, no touching, so that's all I have to say.
So what Rapaport says is he says, look at me in the... I can't believe I'm seeing
this.
You
know how he sounds.
This effing guy just filled his two bags up with everything in the Rite Aid. Right here on 80th and 1st Avenue. Walking down the street like... keep going down. Look at me in my face like, what's good, my man? Just went Christmas shopping in January. The shampoo? What's going on? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Listen. It's not a good signal.
Yeah.
Not a great. I don't know how to feel, but I guess if it's their protocol, then it's their protocol. I guess they're down with losing some products. But it is weird that Rapaport's the guy who almost shut him down. Yeah. I wonder if he was close to tackling him. You can't do this. Mm-hmm. Look at me in my face like. Golden asteroid worth 10,000 quadrillion. Stop it. 10,000 quadrillion will be probed by NASA. It's that kind of stuff that just...
That's like from the plot of Don't Look Up.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. The mining.
So you know what? The other day, we made a video about an asteroid that was going to be passing closely to Earth, and a bunch of people in the comments were suggesting that the only reason that story was rising up was because of that movie.
Yeah.
And that in a way, this is a scenario where people's interest in asteroids in general has been elevated by that movie.
That movie, yeah.
Would you say your interest in asteroids went up? I didn't watch the movie.
No, I wouldn't say the interest went up, but the idea of like the world ending like that is, was eye-opening for sure. It was just like, wow, that's right. That could happen at any time. Like, what's stopping that from happening tomorrow?
Right.